the earth, filled with many wonders and life. But there is something that is threatening its beauty. Climate change. Climate change refers to any long-term change in Earth's climate or in the climate of a region or a city. This includes warming, cooling, and changes besides temperature. Join us as we take this journey to know more about climate change, its causes, effect, and how to reduce or even stop it.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Regino and I'm here today to speak about climate change. I'm here today with a renowned scientist from the Philippines, Alvougn Santos.
Hello fellas, Alvougn Santos here.
Now, Mr. Santos, as a scientist, what can you say about climate change?
Actually, most scientists, scientific organizations, and governments states that climate change is happening and is caused by human activity. A small minority of voices questions the validity of such assertions and prefers to cast doubt on the preponderance of evidence.
Scientific consensus maintains that climate change is due to the human use of fossil fuels, which releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the air. The gases trap heat within the atmosphere, which can have a range of effects on ecosystems, including rising sea levels, severe weather events, and droughts that render landscapes more susceptible to wildfires. The industrial activities there are modern civilization depends upon have raised atmospheric carbon dioxide levels from 280 parts per million to 400 parts per million in the last 150 years. The panel also concluded there's a better than 90% probability that human-produced greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide have caused much of the observed increase in Earth's temperature over the past 50 years. They said the rate of increase in global warming due to these gases is very likely to be unprecedented within the past 10,000 years or more.
Right. Some causes of climate change are natural. This includes changes in Earth's orbit and the amount of energy coming from the sun. Ocean changes and volcanic eruption are also natural causes of climate change. Most scientists think that the recent warming can be explained by nature alone. Most say it's very likely that most of the warming since the mid-1900s is due to the burn of coal, oil, and gas. Burning these fuels is how we produce most of the energy that we use every day. This burning adds heat-trapping gases such as carbon dioxide in the air. These gases are called greenhouse gases.
Rising sea levels due to the melting of the polar ice caps, yet again caused by climate change, contribute to greater storm damage. Warming ocean temperatures are associated with stronger and more frequent storms. More rainfall, particularly during severe weather events, leads to flooding and other damage. An increase in the incidence and severity of wildfires threatens habitats, homes, and lives. And heat waves contribute to human deaths and other consequences.
In what ways can we prevent and reduce the effects of climate change?
We can prevent climate change by using less energy, and we can do that by simply turning off the lights if not needed.
When we plant trees, we lessen carbon dioxide.
Trees are harmful air pollutants because trees photosynthesize carbon dioxide into oxygen.
Instead of using cars that uses gasoline that can pollute our air, we can use bicycles instead.